guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dami, and as you can tell by the title, I'll be doing my first impressions on the Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. As you guys can see, my hair is in need of some moisture. I have not done anything to my hair since I straightened it. And this is how it's looking now. It's an absolute mess. So I don't know if many of you guys know, I work from home, so most of the time I don't really need to look cute. Okay, for work I just sometimes my bonnet is on the whole day, and this is the result. So I really needed to get my act together. Sometimes my energy level is there, and then sometimes it's not because I'm in my 3rd trimester. So you guys gotta see with the girl. So I was looking for a deep conditioner that I have not tried before, and I've never tried anything from the product line Mixed Chicks. So I was like, let me try their deep conditioner and see how it works. It says it nourishes and detangles and hydrates thirsty locks, reconstruct and soften stubborn hair into healthy, easy to manage hair. So I wanted to see how this would work on my type 4 hair. Let me know in the comment sections down below. Have you guys ever tried this product before? Have you tried their product line? Has it worked for you? Has it not? Definitely let me know, because I've never tried it before. So we're going to be trying it together for the first time. Okay, so let me go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair off camera, and then I'm going to come back on and apply the product on camera so you guys can see how well it applies and how, if my curls are going to be coming back after the straightening process. So we're going to have to work on it. So stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just finished washing my hair. I did go ahead and use the Mielle pomegranate and honey shampoo and conditioner. So I went ahead and used that for my wash routine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off so that I can apply the deep conditioner. Okay, so now I've put my hair to 4 sections. I'm gonna go ahead and work with the back hair. Let me just work in smaller sections. I like to put my deep condition in smaller sections just so that my hair is evenly coated with the product that I'm using. So it's really thick. I like how thick it is. I do like how thick it is. Okay. Let me go ahead and re-moisturize my hair because it started to lose moisture from the towel. Using my detangling brush, working from the ends to the roots. It smells pretty good. I like the way it smells. My curls are coming back. Coming back too. focusing more on the ends because the ends of my hair really need it. Even though I did a trim, it's still not where it needs to be. Really work to bring my curls out. Curls are pops. Curls are popping out. And it's really hydrating. Okay, so now we're on to the front. Went ahead and applied the deep conditioner to the other section. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off on the front. Re-moisturize my hair with water. And so far, you guys, I'm really loving it. It's so thick that you don't need to use a lot. Compared to the Babasu deep conditioner that I use from Mayel, that deep conditioner was really thin and watery. I didn't like that. But this, you can really tell that this is going to give you the moisture that you need. Okay, so far, I'm really loving it. It has a nice mellow refreshing smell too, nothing too overpowering, and I'm just working mostly on the ends. And then detangling. See how it is so far? So now that I've finished applying it to my hair, this deep conditioner does not tell you that you need to sit and wait. Normally with a deep conditioner, it tells you that you need to sit and have it penetrate your hair shaft for like 15 to 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes with a steam cap under your dryer, or you can just leave it out. This one just says wet hair, comb through and rinse. But I like to let my deep conditioner soak for a little minute, so I'm just gonna let it sit for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and show you guys the final results. Okay, you guys, so here's my hair freshly washed, and the curls are back, and I'm not seeing any heat damage or anything, so that's a good thing, because I haven't straightened my hair in a good little minute. I didn't want to get it heat damage or anything. So yeah, my full thoughts on the product. So my thoughts on the product: it does what it says it's gonna do to give your hair moisture. It is really thick, so it is going to work to get into your hair shaft. It says that you did not really need to sit and deep conditioner, you just needed to just apply it, comb it through, and then wash your hair. But I felt like with a deep conditioner, it's best if I sit and let it wait a little minute so that it can really work to penetrate my hair shaft, because I mean, I felt like my hair needed some tender loving care. So what I loved about it too, as I was applying it to my hair, I could really see my curls reforming and taking back its shape. I did, comparing it to, this would compare to the As I Am moisturizing deep conditioner, but I feel like this one left my hair with a little bit more moisture than the As I Am, because I can still feel like there is product in my hair even though I fully washed my hair out. So that's a good comparison for what deep conditions that I've used so far. The only other thing that I can say that I did not really like about the product, it felt like, I don't know, it felt a little bit, when I was washing the product out of my hair, it felt like wax. I don't know, it's like a waxy feel when I was washing it out. But now that now that my hair is air drying, it doesn't feel that way. It feels more moisturizing than it felt when the water was going through it to get it, you know, out. So that's one thing that I noticed. But other than that, I feel like this product did a really good job. I have never tried their products before, and I can really say that I would definitely buy this deep conditioner again. So this is it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm not so sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I think I want to do a twist out, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.